eighth and final exercise is what we call the Turkish get-up. For those of you that may be familiar with the Turkish get-up, we're not going to go through the whole thing. We're just going to do the first segment. What Jen's going to do here is she's going to start with an arm overhead with a weight in it. You can use a kettlebell like we're using, or you can use a dumbbell or any other weight that you might have. You'll want to start with a light weight, and as you become more and more experienced with this exercise, you can do heavier weights. What she's going to do is have a nice firm grip on this weight, and she's going to rotate to the outside and to the inside as far as she can. That way she's going to get the range of motion in her shoulder while still providing control and stability. What we're looking for her to do is have a very quiet arm and fist. If it's shaking all over the place, then that is not a sign of stability and control. So you want it to be as quiet as you can possibly have it. What she's going to do after a few rotations is she's actually going to do a partial sit-up. So now the weight is overhead, which is a more taxing position for the shoulder, and she's going to again go through her rotational range of motion. You want to make sure your shoulder is far from your ear, a nice space here, which is improved alignment for the shoulder. Once you're able to do a couple of repetitions, go down and try on the other side. What you're looking for is for one side to be weaker or more difficult to perform than the other. If that's the case, you'll want to perform that exercise more. As you progress throughout your program of maintenance for your shoulder, this can become a long-term solution to a warm-up for your shoulder before you perform exercises or sporting events that put stress on your shoulder. Very good.